DIY spice blends. Craft your own flavor magic. Tired of bland meals? Unlock a world of flavor by creating your own custom spice blends. It's easier than you think and will transform your everyday cooking. Pre-made spice blends can be convenient, but they often lack freshness and can be loaded with unnecessary additives. Crafting your own allows you to control the ingredients and create unique flavor profiles tailored to your taste. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's in your spice rack and the ability to adjust the heat, sweetness, or earthiness of your dishes with a simple sprinkle. Plus, it's a fantastic way to use up those half-empty spice jars. Building a well-stocked spice pantry is the foundation for creating amazing blends. Start with these essential spices. Salt and pepper, the cornerstones of any good seasoning. Experiment with different types like sea salt, kosher salt, and black, white, or pink peppercorns. Chili powder adds warmth and depth. Choose from mild to hot varieties depending on your preference. Garlic powder and onion powder, versatile staples for savory dishes. Paprika, sweet, smoked, or hot paprika adds color and flavor. Cumin, earthy and worn, a key ingredient in many Mexican and Indian dishes. Coriander, citrusy and slightly sweet, often paired with cumin. Dried herbs, oregano, thyme, rosemary, and basil are essential for Mediterranean and Italian blends. You don't need fancy equipment to make your own spice blends. Here's what you'll need. Small bowls for measuring and mixing spices. Measuring spoons. Accurate measurements are key for consistent results. Spice grinder or mortar and pestle for grinding whole spices. A coffee grinder dedicated to spices works well. Airtight containers to store your spice blends and keep them fresh. Glass jars or tins are ideal. Labels to clearly identify your creations and their ingredients. Creating your own spice blends is an art, but here are a few tips to get you started. Start small. Begin with small batches to experiment and adjust the flavors to your liking. Taste as you go. Taste the blend after each addition and adjust accordingly. Consider the dish. Think about the type of dish you'll be using the blend for and choose spices that complement those flavors. Balance the flavors. Aim for a balance of sweet, savory, spicy, and earthy notes. Record your recipes. Write down your recipes so you can recreate your favorite blends. Ready to start blending? Here are a few simple recipes to inspire you. All-purpose seasoning. 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons onion powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt. Perfect for seasoning chicken, vegetables, or pasta. Taco seasoning. 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Used for tacos, fajitas, or chili. Italian herb blend. 2 tablespoons dried oregano, 2 tablespoons dried basil, 1 tablespoon dried rosemary, 1 tablespoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon red pepper flakes. Great for pasta sauces, pizza, or roasted vegetables. BBQ rub. 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons paprika, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Perfect for ribs, chicken, or brisket. Lemon pepper seasoning. 2 tablespoons black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Grind peppercorns and lemon zest together. Use on fish, chicken, or vegetables. Proper storage is essential to maintain the freshness and flavor of your spice blends. Airtight containers. Store your blends in airtight containers to prevent moisture and air from getting in. Cool, dark place. Keep your spice blends in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. Labeling. Label each container with the name of the blend and the date it was made. Shelf life. Most spice blends will last for 6 to 12 months if stored properly. Once you've mastered the basics, don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Add heat, cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, chipotle powder, or smoked paprika can add a kick to your blends. Add sweetness. Brown sugar, maple sugar, or dried fruit powders can add a touch of sweetness. Add citrus. Lemon zest, orange zest, or lime zest can add a bright, zesty flavor. Add herbs. Fresh or dried herbs can add a complex, aromatic flavor. Add seeds. Sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or mustard seeds can add texture and flavor. Creating your own spice blends is a fun and rewarding way to elevate your cooking. By experimenting with different flavors and ingredients, you can create unique blends that perfectly complement your favorite dishes. So gather your spices, grab your measuring spoons, and get ready to unleash your inner spice master. Ready to transform your cooking? Start creating your own custom spice blends today. Download our free spice blend recipe guide in the description below and share your creations with us on social media using #DIY spice blends. Don't forget to subscribe for more cooking tips and tricks.